He's taunting him.
You made it in, man! Oh no, no one else can get in. I've locked the door. There's 2 dogs in there, bro.
Take off, he said take off.
You're about to take off on the outside. I'm in jail. Fucking bandit to go sit in jail.
I've never heard you wheeze like that before.
Dude, I didn't know how fucked the situation was. Oh.
Man, we have to vote to take it off.
Oh, man.
Vote to take off. Vote to take off. I don't know what to do.
Give him a second. Give him a second to figure it out.
Oh, yeah. They're chilling in there, man. They're having the time.
Oh my god.
They finally get to play the game. They're so happy.
Oh, we can take off. We can take off. Shit.
Yeah. Hold right click.
You gotta hold right click. Hold right click.
You don't think there's any way for them to get out of it?
I need new furniture again. I can't remember.
Dude, the AC's on. My favorite song is playing. Please don't break the
Hold right click. All of you guys, hold right click. Hold right
I
click.
remember how to move stuff.
Hold right click, please.
Oh,
The fuck? The fuck was that?
Oh, evicted.
Was that a mask guy?
it might have been. Is the music already removed for you?